You know, the people always say that you need not to be translate the language, but it is very easier said than done. कहना तो आसान है, but करना बहुत मुश्किल है. But how do I apply it, right? कैसे हम उस thinking से बाहर आए, वो हिंदी की बार बार हम जो thinking करते हैं, कैसे हम उससे बाहर आए? So there is a beautiful activity for that. Like I told you, you are always surrounded by many things. Like I was, for example, I'm sitting here, right? And there is a board. There's a board. There's a board in front of me. So what I will do, I'll do, hi board, how are you? What are you doing here? Don't you have any work? Nobody is going to write it on you. You are looking so dirty today. Why don't you make yourself clear? You know.
Thank you, ma'am. A glorious morning to you. And I'm very happy because you giving me second chance. You share your screen with me. So thank you very much, ma'am.
Always welcome to you on my channel, and I'm so delighted to connect with you again, right? So tell me how your day is shaping up. It just started, I think.
Yes, ma'am. So my day is going very content because my day is going as per my plan. So I am very happy.
That's great. Lovely to know that. And yes, so tell me, so are you enjoying the hot weather?
No, ma'am. No one can enjoy hot weather because we are not able to do any work. So that's why.
But let me tell you, I'm enjoying the hot weather. Why? Because I'm roasting like a chicken. So I'm enjoying the hot weather. Okay, so let's just start the conversation, right? So Neetu ji, I want you to introduce yourself. Although I know you inside out, but still I want you to describe yourself so that my viewers can get connect with you.
Okay, ma'am. So my name is Neetu Thakur. I was born and brought up in a small village called Rehli, near Sagar district of MP. And if you talk about my family, so there are 5 members in my family, including me. And I am a teacher by profession. And if you talk about my core of interest, my hobby, so I like horse riding, biking, bullock cart riding. That's it all about me, ma'am. Thanks for asking, ma'am.
Beautiful, beautiful hobbies you have. And I would like to ask, one hobbies here, that is bike riding. Are you still riding?
Yes, ma'am. Sometime.
Oh, wow. So now let me just ask you, would you mind to give me a lift?
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Oh, okay, that's just joke apart, and let's start the conversation. So you are a teacher, right, Neetu ji? So tell me, I want to ask you a very simple question regarding teaching. I hope you can easily, correlate with my questions. So, teaching, what is so one, the good quality in teaching according to you?
Ma'am, we connect many people, many students, and we learn many more things. No matter
Mm-hmm.
age, class, no matter your anything, you learn and you achieve many more things when you join any school, when you teach someone.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I totally understand, totally connect with you, because being a teacher, whenever I'm connecting with my co-learners, I always go with the mindset that if I'm connecting with my co-learner, definitely I'm going to gain something, and we need to acknowledge it actually, na? Whenever whatever we are acquiring from our co-learners, we need to acknowledge it. Okay, so here comes my huh?
Uh, Um,
Yes.
just one question came in my mind. So can I ask, ma'am?
Oh, please go ahead.
I watch your podcast.
Mm-hmm.
Where
Yes.
did you learn art of speaking, elocution?
I would say it's in my gene, because I'm very passionate for hosting the program. I have inside, like you have a lot of hobbies. I have a hidden hobbies inside me, and that is hosting a program and speaking in front of lot of peoples. I'm always fascinated towards that. So I would say that is in my gene. Whenever I'm going to connect with a lot of people, I'll go with full of bees. I always try to enthrall the people through my speaking skills, and using my modulation, using my facial expression and all that, because that is I think quality of a good speaker.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I just watched your recent video which you upload on your channel. That is related one Rajasthani girl.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
there you talk related to beauty, heart beauty. So I agree with you, ma'am, because I read one APJ Abdul Kalam ji quote.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
hands, but I give my hand someone who need help because
Mm-hmm.
it's her heart beauty. Not
Hmm.
so.
Yes, yes,
I'm very
absolutely.
happy because you motivates all the co-learners. You support all the co-learners.
Mhm.
And before conversation, I set my mind. You are a little rude, but after the conversation, I feel very happy and comfortable, ma'am.
I always try to make some, like that. We never go with the preconceived notion. I mean, हमें किसी को judge नहीं करना चाहिए by looking their face and all that. We need not to be very judgmental all the time, right?
Yes,
First, we need to understand that people, and second thing, we need to stand in their shoes. Then we can understand the people mentality, their behavior, everything. So never ever judge the people. That all I can say. But I am not hard. I am not an arrogant person. I am very soft-hearted person.
I noticed
Oh,
so many times. And ma'am, I would like to one more question. So, ma'am,
yes, please.
when I watched your video, so I noticed you suggest your all co-learners um, improve your imagination. So you have any tips and tricks on how to improve our imagination?
Imagine, this is a very beautiful activity. I actually did with me, being a homemaker, right? Being a homemaker, or if you are a working profession, anything, any core of interest you have, right? Whenever you are at your home alone, always surrounded by many things, right? Let me just
Yes.
give you one example. Give you example. I was in the balcony before connecting to you, and I was hanging out my clothes. So I was talking to my washing
You,
machine. Yes, no, washing machine. I was talking to my washing machine and I was saying, "Oh my God, you are looking so dirty today. What happened to you, dear?" Then my washing machine replied, I was just imagining the things. I was imagining that my washing machine is talking to me and I'm talking to my washing machine. So I have created that, scenario around me. So this is called a activity. The thinking act, the people always say that you need not to be translate the language, but it is very easier said than done. कहना तो आसान है but करना बहुत मुश्किल है. But how do I apply it, right? कैसे हम उस thinking से बाहर आए, वो हिंदी की बार बार हम जो thinking करते हैं, कैसे हम उससे बाहर आए? So there is a beautiful activity for that. Like I told you, you are always surrounded by many things. Like I was say, for example, I'm sitting here, right? And there is a board. There's a board. There's a board in front of me. So what I will do, I'll do, "Hi board, how are you? What are you doing here? Don't you have any work? Nobody's going to write it on you. You are looking so dirty today. Why don't you make yourself clear?" Try to make the sentences on the board,
okay,
right?
thank you, ma'am.
The more you
Explain.
will the more you will make the sentence, the more you will uh, put the pressure on your brain, the more you will learn the cognitive thinking. आप सोचोगे, वो जो ट्रांसलेशन का पार्ट है वो खत्म हो जाएगा.
My last question is that how important is grammar and new vocabs to speaking English?
Yes, I always convey one thing, Neetu ji: desirable and essential, right? Desirable and essential has a slight difference. Desirable means अगर जरूरी है तो then you can use it. Essential means बहुत जरूरी है. If right now I'm talking to you, right? Right now I'm talking to you. If it is desired, then I will use a small vocabs, simple vocabs. I will not use a lot of fancy word. When it is essential, जो बहुत जरूरी है, then I will use a difficult, a complex one, vocabs. So my advice on that: go with the simple word, but try to replace the simple word with the different vocabs. Simple, easy one. For example, let me just give you one example. We all the time use good. Why we have to say good? Just eradicate that word from your brain. Good ki jagah you can say, incredible. Isn't it sounds good? अच्छा भी
Yes.
लग रहा है बोलने में, है ना? अब हम बोलते हैं डिले हो गया, डिले। डिले को you can replace with the word procrastinate. But because we have lot of adjectives, synonyms, lot of synonyms we have, right? And depend on the conversation, it depend on the topic, right? So any further questions you have?
No, ma'am. Please go ahead. And my grandmother always said, whenever you sit, venerable person, experienced person, try to listen more.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Your grandmother is indeed precisely. So now, so let me just ask you one question here, okay, Neetu ji? Or nahi, let's do the one activity.
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
we actually we were talking about the vocabs, we were talking about how to, you know, how to create that, how to eradicate that translation part, right?
Okay.
So let me just give you a small activity here, right? And that activity called extemporary activity means, but what is extemporary activity means? I'll give you a topic, a small need to speak at least 1.5 minutes, or you can go more than that. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
I will try, ma'am, definitely. Yeah,
You
I'm ready.
can do it. You can do it. I have you know, full trust, full faith on you.
I
Right?
hope.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
So my topic is my you know, homeschooling. First topic is homeschooling, and second one is reality. So choose one topic according to you and start speaking on that particular topic.
Yes, ma'am. I go with home school.
Okay, let's start.
So home school, ma'am, when baby born, so mother teach everything at home. And nowadays, many people connect with you, and you when you ask question why you learn English, so they said to you, because I want to teach my son,
Yes.
teach my daughter. So
Yes.
parents are very aware, and they want to teach their kids at home properly.
Hmm.
They
Hmm.
suggest everything. You keep your things organized. You
Hmm.
wear this type of dress, you eat like
Hmm.
this. So mother teach all the things for their kids. So
Hmm.
my opinion is
Hmm.
home is very important for all the
Yes.
kids. They are not, they some students, they didn't have mother, so they are not
Hmm.
systematic. They are not
Hmm.
they do not know how to finish their lunch, how to
Hmm.
cover your lunch box, and
Yes.
father are not aware much. So
Hmm.
schooling is very important, but uh,
Hmm.
too much attention, and she give good environment for their kids, and they
Hmm.
teach everything. And while playing, she give environment for their kids. Give me red color bottle, bring your bag, and give a potato, give tomato. So while playing,
Hmm.
students, children learn
Yes.
things at.
Yes. Yes. Great. Great. Yes. 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 Absolutely. Homeschooling is, I would say, it is a foundation of learning anything, any skill. Because you know the basic manner, first of all, we learn from our home only, right? So indeed, and absolutely, and this is why, you know, what is the purpose of this activity? Why I given you this activity? When you have a topic in your brain, na, a topic, you need to speak, like I told you, need to speak for 1.5 minutes. You will put the pressure on your brain, and you will start thinking. You will feel like that you have lot of words in your brain, right? And you try to deliver it. This is a second important activity to learn this language. Take one topic. Like today, I have given you homeschooling, right? To take this activity at least for 1 week. I am not saying it to change it.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Take this activity for 1 week, right? And try to speak on that topic for one and a half minute, right? 1.5 minutes.
And
Or
ma'am,
after that, you can increase.
okay, okay.
आफ्टर दैट यू कैन इंक्रीज द टाइम, 2 मिनट के लिए बात कीजिए, 3 मिनट के लिए बात कीजिए, you will understand, and you will have lot of thoughts floating on your brain.
Yes, ma'am. And I want to ask one silly question. So, ma'am,
No worries. Hmm.
because you connect earlier with me, so you notice little confidence and little improvement.
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. You are improving. You are improving. The thing is that people took years to summon their courage. लोगों को ना सालों लग जाता है अपनी हिम्मत जुटाने में to learn this language. But you already took it. This is your first achievement, right? The way you are speaking, right? The way you are speaking, I noticed that you are not feeling any kind of a pressure on you. You are going with the flow, and that is commendable, right?
You know, ma'am, reason behind you, because I watch your lots of video and you give sometime tips and tricks. I was your podcast. I earlier already said to you. So you said their mirror practice is very important. So yeah, I start mirror practice before 2 days ago. So
Mhm.
sometime I hesitate, but yeah, I
Yes,
will
but
try
yeah,
more. And
mirror activity is very important. Although it is a stereotype, बहुत घिसी पिटी है, but it boosts your confidence actually. So let's do one more activity. Can you do it with me? So
yeah,
would you
ma'am.
like to do it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this activity is a different activity. Through this activity, we will learn the vocabs. I'll give you a one word and you will have lot of words related to that word. Okay. So first, what you need to do it, I'll give you one word, and first you need to frame the sentence on that
Okay, ma'am.
particular word, right? And after that, you need to make the simple word related to that particular word. Let me just give you one example. Let me just give you one word. Flower. First frame the sentence. Flower.
Flowers are very beautiful.
Very good. Very good.
And hence,
Now flower. Now you have to tell me the word. Correlated word with
fragrance,
flower. Yes. Beautiful.
and when we and prayer, when we go temple and any prayer, so we okay.
Prayer. Prayer. Flower is related to the prayer.
Yes, ma'am.
Because when we says our prayer na, we use flower. We offer the flower to God. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So my completed your activity in such an excellent way, and fab, I would say, as a token of appreciation, I would like to give you two new vocabs that you can juggle up with your day-to-day work. Right.
Okay.
So my first vocab is procrastinate. I have already told you. Procrastinate.
Yes, yes.
Right. And the second one I would like to give you here, I have mm, yes, fraternity.
Please spelling, ma'am. Please spell.
Fraternity. Fraternity. Now,
Means
what is the meaning? Fraternity means a group of people who are into a same interest, who are into a same profession. Like, for example, let me just give you example here. Neetu, you and I in the same fraternity because we are learning English,
okay.
right? We are
I
into a
feel
same fraternity क्योंकि हम इंग्लिश लर्न कर रहे हैं तो हम एक ही ग्रुप में है एक ही इंटरेस्ट है हमारा ओके
and my last question is that what kind of difficulty did you face when you start your channel?
My goodness, it was a long story, but I'll try to describe it just to cut long story to short. It was daunting. Again, a new word I'm giving you, daunting, but not impossible. Daunting means difficult tha, but not impossible. Because in this world, nothing is impossible. The thing is that you need to be very honest. The thing is that you need to be replace your excuses through replace your excuses by determination. Then you will see everything fall in your way. So I put my 200% effort. So still I am putting.
Yeah, ma'am, break a leg. And I watched your all of video and I enjoy a lot and I definitely learn new vocabs.
Thank you so much and keep supporting me. And it was an enthralling conversation.
Don't cut this part because I want to say when I connect earlier with you, so I am not to recognize difference between he or she, his or her.
Okay.
And give my introduction. So I said to any people, I have a kid boy, baby boy. So I said, she is. I don't know how to, I don't know he is, but I say, so you remove my lots of mistake and you give lots of, you give help without any condition. So ma'am, thank you very much once again.
Always thank you so much. Thank you so much for your compliment and for your kind words. That word actually give me a kind of actually empower me.